Hi guys, so today we're gonna be making like a heart that's like maybe like 2 inches, maybe 3. So you're gonna hold your hand like this with your index finger and your middle finger and your thumb out and your ring finger and your pinky down, and you're gonna put your yarn over your index finger and your middle finger and hold it with your thumb, and then wrap it around like in an X shape, and then hold it with those other 2 fingers, like make sure it's secure like this. And you're gonna put your hook. I'm using 4.5 millimeter, and this is Red Heart yarn, Red Heart Super Saver. It says 5.5 on the package, but I just went a size down because I don't know, it's better for me. You can do whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put my hook under this and over and grab the yarn and twist it. I'm gonna make a little loose. Okay, there. And then, oh my god, okay. I always mess up on this. It's totally normal for you to mess up on this as a beginner. And then just chain 1 to secure it. And then, yeah. So you're gonna hold your magic loop or magic circle or magic ring, whatever, like this with both your fingers and your thumb. And we're gonna do the first chain count, so we're just gonna do a chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And now we're just gonna do a treble crochet. Actually, this is also called triple crochet. In other countries, I think in the UK it's called triple. I think in the US it's called treble. I don't know. You can search it up. But what you do is you yarn over twice, hold the loops. There should be 3 loops on your hook. Hold the loops with your thumb, insert it into the magic loop, magic ring, and then pull up, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Wait, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And I'm gonna do that again. Yarn over twice, hold the loops, insert, bring up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you yarn over and pull through 2 loops about 3 times, therefore triple, treble, you know. So we're just gonna do that one more time, since we only need to do it 3 times. Let me just, get my yarn. And now we're gonna do a double crochet. This is one of the most popular, or what I think is the most popular, because it's used along the patterns that I see most of the time. We're gonna yarn over and insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You do that twice there for a double crochet. Just do that again. Yarn over, hold your loops, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Since you're doing, I'm going really fast actually. Since you're doing that 3 times, I'm just gonna do that once more. And I'm gonna chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop, and then do another treble. I'm just gonna call it treble. Do another treble crochet, and then chain 1 again. Get that yarn. Then we're gonna do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna do another 3 treble crochets. I'm just gonna pull this right here, and also make sure you're like crocheting over the end of the magic loop, so it doesn't like give you any problems. And then if it does come undone, it's gonna undo all of your work, and it's just gonna be a huge mess. So now we're gonna do I think 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, and we are those 3, right? So we're gonna now chain 3 like we did on the other side. It's like basically kind of mirrored, I guess. And we're gonna pull this loop. Satisfying, I know. And then like stretch it out a bit, so you see that little circle right here. I don't know why I did it so tight. I regret that. Just like wiggle around. There's a little circle right here you can see from the loop, and you're gonna insert your hook and then just do a really tight slip stitch. Pull that end again. Now I'm just gonna pull it up here. Now you have like a little heart, which is 2 inches. I was right. So you can also make this a keychain. Just do like a long chain of however much you want, and then slip stitch right in again, and then you can attach it to a key ring if you'd like. yeah. Hope you had a good time. Bye.